The fifth, that the office of the Vice President also received confidential funds in the amount of 125 million on December 20, 2022, which it used up in 11 days.
Napansin ko lang naman po yun kasi yung kanilang cash advance based on the physical and financial plan po supposedly is for the whole fourth quarter of 2022. Pero based on this document po, na-disburse lang siya from December 21 to 31, 2022 or around 11 days.
Okay. Sinabi mo, whole quarter of 2022. September, November, October. Sandali. Can you enlighten me? Anong quarter dapat yun? October, November, December. Ang
Yes.
sinasabi mong 3 quarters.
3 months
3
po.
months. 3 months for the fourth quarter. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
3 months for the fourth quarter, pero sabi mo ang ginastos na funds. Magkano ang ginastos na funds?
Based on the documents po submitted, 125 million pesos po.
In these 3 quarters? 3 months?
Based on the document po, it was supposed to be spent for the fourth quarter of 2022. So 3 months po, supposedly. Based on
Bakit
their
supposedly, Mr. Witness?
Dahil yun po yung supposed coverage ng kanilang cash advance for their confidential activities.
At sinabi mo kanina, 11 days ito ginastos. Tama?
Based on the document, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Witness, ano ang significance, if any, nitong revised accomplishment report?
Ang significance po nito, dito po naka-indicate yung specific confidential activities po na pinagamitan ng cash advance ng OBP. So as compared po doon sa kanilang initial accomplishment report na sinubmit, wala po doon naka-indicate na specific confidential activities.
Can you tell us ano ang observation mo dito sa mga linista ni Vice President sa kanyang alleged activities to justify her confidential expenditures?
Based on this document po, some of the line items as presented po na confidential expenses ay hindi among the allowable expenses under item 4.8 of the joint circular.
Okay.
At yung items po na yun,
Ano-ano ang mga items na yon?
yung letter E po, yung provision of medical and food aid for 40 million pesos at yung payment of incentives or traveling relative to confidential operations na 10 million pesos.
Okay. Isa-isahin natin. Ano? Sinabi mo na ang hindi pwede dyan yung
Letter E and letter F po.
letter D,
Letter E po.
E.
E and letter F.
What item is this and how much?
Yung letter E po, yung provision of medical and food aid na 40 million pesos at yung letter F na payment of incentives or traveling relative to the confidential operations na 10 million pesos.
Bakit hindi allowed ang medical expense for 40 million?
Dahil yung hindi po siya kasama dun sa enumeration ng item 4.8 at yung enumeration po na yon ay exclusive. Yun lang po yung
Exclusive.
allowable confidential expenses based on the Joint Circular 2015-01.
What do you mean when you say the enumeration in the circular is exclusive? Anong ibig sabihin ng exclusive?
Kapag sinabi pong exclusive, ay doon lang pwedeng gamitin. So other than those enumerated po, ay hindi na po siya allowed as confidential expenses.
So 40 million na gamot, hindi allowed. Ano pa nakita mo dyan?
Yung item B po, yung payment of reward. Kasi aside from this accomplishment report, hindi po sila nag-submit noong any document evidencing the success of the information gathering or surveillance activities on account of the information given by the informer as required po under item 4.8.5 of the Joint Circular 2015-01.
And for better appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court, we will be flashing some select few. Exhibit P-1-8-184. Showing to you, Mr. Witness, this exhibit It is an acknowledgement receipt in the name of Mary Grace Piatos for the amount of 70,000 pesos. Please peruse this document and tell us if this is among the acknowledgement receipts that you said you received and evaluated based on the submissions of the Office of the Vice President.
This AR po is among the acknowledgement receipts submitted by the OVP to ICFAO.
Renan Piatos, in the name of Nova Santos for the amount of 85,000 pesos. 295,000 pesos. Again, ang nakalagay dito, hindi pasok. 1231 na investigate mo ba kung kamag-anak to ni Senator Bong Revilla? Patiting for purchase of information. Ang observation mo, Odi or Andy C. Lim for 50,000 pesos. Ang dilim! Kanya ko pala hindi mabasa, ang dilim. Alejandro A. Piquet, P-18 is for Fiona Biong for Cisfronio Balsac. For Gabriel S. Bisaya for 70,000 pesos. 12/27/2022. What is the total, Mr. Witness, based on your Annex A of your notice of suspension of the total amount for acknowledgement receipts issued for a period not covered by the confidential funds?
Can you clarify po yung question? Yung mga dated December 2023 po ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Witness.
Based on this annex po, yung total ng mga acknowledgement receipts na dated December 2023 ay 25,606,000 pesos.
For 2023, 25,606,000. What about confidential funds liquidated based on undated acknowledgement receipts na walang date? Undated.
Based po on
Is that also shown in your Annex A?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you tell this court how much that amount is for undated acknowledgement receipts na walang petsa?
Ang total amount po ay 3,276,000 pesos po.
Okay, and pag tinotal natin ito, magkano lahat ito ang nakalagay sa notice of suspension mo?
Yung undated tsaka December
Yes, Mr.
20.
Witness.
Bali ang magiging total po ay almost 29 million pesos po.
Okay.